The P2279 code means the engine control module has detected an air intake system leak, also known as an unmetered air leak. In simple terms, unmeasured air is getting into the engine after the MAF or MAP sensor thrown off the air-fuel ratio and causing performance issues. The first cause could be a disconnected or cracked vacuum hose. These small hoses are used all over the intake system, and if one is damaged or loose, it can allow extra air to sneak into the engine without being measured. The second cause could be a leaking intake manifold gasket. If the gasket between the manifold and the cylinder head is worn or cracked, it can create an air leak that throws off the mixture. The third cause could be a faulty PCV valve. A stuck open PCV valve or a cracked PCV hose can create a vacuum leak that confuses the ECM, leading to poor idle or drivability issues. The fourth cause could be a cracked intake tube or a loose clamp between the throttle body and the MAF sensor. If unmetered air enters here, the ECM has no way to account for it, which can lead to rough running and trigger the P2279 code. The fifth cause could be a bad throttle body gasket. If air is leaking around the base of the throttle body, it can affect idle and air-fuel ratios, especially at low engine speeds. The last possible cause is a damaged or warped intake manifold itself. If the manifold is cracked or warped from heat, it can cause unmetered air to enter, especially under load. If you're dealing with the P2279 code, make sure to check for vacuum leaks, listen for hissing sounds, and inspect all intake components closely.